Hi, I'm Ryan Floyde. I'm Territory Manager here in Alberta with Nexeed. Today I wanted to run through more of an informational video in how to go through and clean out the air diffuser and the honeycombs on the Cimbria Gravity table. So a lot of the magic that happens with the Cimbria Gravity table is because of these diffuser plates and the honeycombs, and it really dials in the air and how much air is getting blown through the deck in all the different areas to make sure that you're getting that real even air diffusion as the seed flows over and as the density changes, as the heavier seed moves up and the lighter seed moves down. You need different amounts of air getting blown through. So a big part of that is these diffuser plates that are in there. And as I go through this, we will throw a little bit of stuff up on the screen. I was at a site recently, had a customer that was willing to take me through how they do their clean out and how they go about making sure that all of that is ready for their next season. So the first thing that you want to do is we're going to open the deck up. So the whole deck is on gas hinges, so it tilts up. There's bolts on the back side. There's one that you'll need the torque wrench to open up, and another one that's just a hand crank. And then on the front we've got the big black handle bolts that just spin off and pull up. So you take those out, lift the whole deck up. Once the deck opens up, then you have access to all of the diffuser plates and the honeycombs in there. And those are all in individual sections. So each of those sections has a couple of bolts holding them in. So pull those out and those just lift and slide out. Once we get all those out, we take those outside and we're going to hit them with a bunch of air. So the easiest way to do this is just leave these together and get an air wand, get up nice and tight, and just blow till you can see daylight through them basically. It takes about, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes per screen to do. It's not too bad, it's just a little bit time consuming. But yeah, just keep blowing till the dust starts getting minimized, and then you can hold it up to this light and you can see air through them, or see sunlight through them, and keep blowing that air till you get that. Once all that is done and they're looking really good for no more dust built up in them, then we'll go and we'll throw them back in. So same process in reverse. Line them all up, bolt them all down, drop your deck, put your hand cranks, go to the back, tighten those back ones up, and torque those up to the required specs. So this is a bit of a process. It took about an hour or two. I was getting kind of informed and instructed as we went, so it was a little bit slower than probably would normally take you once you get the hang of it. But it's something we do recommend doing in your off season, your maintenance time. Typically once a season is plenty, and this really keeps that stratification happening nice and even across the deck, and it really allows you to get that precision separation that the Cimbria GA Gravity table is known for. So any more questions, or if anyone wants to get a lot more in depth or get some more pictures or stuff than what we've shown here, give me a call, reach out to me. I'm more than willing to come out and go through it. As you saw in this video, I was out there getting dusty and learning firsthand. So yeah, reach out whenever you want, and we'll have a chat about that. Thanks for talking today, and we'll chat again in the future. Thank you.